Welcome back to another video of We Love Car Mods. Today we'll be installing some OEM mud guards on the 2018 Tiguan. What you'll notice is I have a ratchet over here and some torque screws over here, or torque bits over here, since it does require T25 bits and it does require some drilling. But from my version of installation, I won't be using any drilling, because I think from the side bolt and the bottom bolt, it should hold it in place. If I want to go back to it, I can always go back to it, but that'll require taking off the actual wheel itself and then drilling 2 holes, and I'll cover that in a little bit. This is the OEM box or packaging for it, you can see, for Volkswagen, and these are the actual front ones. So you have 2 of these, one for the left, one for the right. You'll have a little bag of T25 screws and also fasteners. So the fasteners are used when you drill the hole and you put that in. And if you look at the instructions, it's pretty easy. Just have a drill with the drill bit that's 8 millimeters and Torx with the T25. And then you take off the wheel, install the mud guards, put the 2 screws back on. One is on the side of the wheel well, one's underneath on the undercarriage, and then you would drill 2 holes to put the fasteners in. But like I said, I think having a hole, 1 screw on the bottom, 1 screw on the top will be suffice. So I will actually not be doing the actual drilling of the holes. So test fitting, you can see that obviously it's OEM, so it fits perfectly over here. So I'll take my torque wrench, T25, as you can see, they ask you to take off the wheel for more clearance, but I decided not to do it. And then right underneath, right over here, there's another one right here.
"12 seconds later."
So it goes underneath, it's right over here. So this will go back underneath, right like that. You can see that it moves a little bit for flaps, but that's because I don't have the fastener up here. And then we'll put the screw back on the bottom side. So all I'm doing is tighten the bolt back down. And that's it. So what you'll notice is it is a little flappy on this side and on this side because I don't have the fasteners. But I guess I'll come back and have to drill it in order to put the fasteners on. So now we're going to do the installation on the back. You'll notice that the back and the front is slightly different. In the back there's 2 torque screws over here, and then there's a hole on the bottom to drill, but there's actually no screw on the bottom. So that one you'll have to drill as well. As mentioned, I'm not going to do that for this install, but to do the proper installation, please follow the manual and guide to drill the holes that you need and then put in the fasteners. I did notice that on this one, the clearance is a little tighter on the bottom one. So what you can do is, instead of using the ratchet, you can always just take off the tip and the socket like I have over here. Just pull it out and just loosen and tighten accordingly. So as you can see, I've tightened these two bolts up here by hand because the ratchet doesn't fit that well in here. You can see that there is a slight movement, but that's only if I'm forcing it really hard because there's no other fastener that's installed over there. But otherwise, it's complete. So thanks for watching another video of We Love Car Mods, and thank you for tuning in into the installation of mud guards on the 2018 Tiguan. Please subscribe and click the notification bell on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.